Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of want to switch up from the red meat. I'm going to do ground turkey today and maybe tomorrow, and then I'll do some type of fish. So we're going to start off with these egg muffins. You can have so much fun with this. You'll need a muffin pan. I grease my muffin pans with this delicious Kerrygold butter. Now this has garlic, herb, salt, pepper. You don't need to add anything to this. This is delicious. So I grease my pans with this just to give it a little extra flavor. I'm gonna add some cheese, some onions, green peppers, red peppers. I'm gonna use this ground turkey. So the ingredients in this, super clean ingredients. Turkey, rosemary. I'll probably season it with a little organic Cajun spices. Let's see if I can grab that real quick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this today. Just to give it a little extra flavor. Okay, so and then we're gonna use some pasteurized eggs, some bacon. Now you can use bacon bits. I have used that before. I just don't have any now. But just to speed up this recipe, sure, throw in some bacon bits in there, some baby spinach, and then this is my favorite kitchen tool. I chopped everything up ahead of time, store it in a freezer bag. You're all set. It saves you so much time. So let's get started on our breakfast, lunch, and dinner using ground turkey today. Okay guys, so I have my bacon getting crispy. I'm gonna chop that up. And then I have my ground turkey here. I'm not gonna add any salt or pepper between the bacon, the cheese, and that delicious butter. We don't need to add any salt. I'm gonna add some Cajun seasoning to this though. And I am doing my lunch at the same time. So I'm gonna use the ground turkey for a little taco later on this afternoon. And I'm gonna add some ground turkey to my egg muffin. So doing two things at once. Oh, these are beautiful, guys. And look, they come right out. You put that butter at the bottom. Whoop. Look how beautiful. So that was exactly 20 minutes. Delish. I think this is the bacon one. Guys, that's delicious. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's lunchtime. I'm just gonna do a quick lettuce wrap using that delicious ground turkey we made earlier. I'm just gonna add some cheddar cheese, a little sour cream, and I'm gonna use this hard to romaine lettuce. Hey guys, so this is lunch really quick. I just added some of the leftover onions I had, a little bit of the bacon, some sour cream, some cheese, and I'm gonna have a bottle of water. Hi guys, so it's later on in the afternoon, so this is what I have planned for dinner. I am doing the intermittent fasting, so I'm not gonna force myself, but we still have some of that delicious turkey that we did earlier. We still have some of the cheddar cheese that we got chopped up ahead of time. That's why I like to pre-chop everything, put them in Ziploc bags, and then I'll go ahead and use one of these carb balanced tortillas. They're really good, and just some sour cream. So we are all set for dinner as well.